y'all. How you doing? Welcome to another episode of How I Screwed This Up. Hey, guess who's I got with me right now? Yeah, if you remember the last video we did, last episode, Jovie was in the Philippines.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I'm here now.
Yeah, it took us 2 years to get you here. So I thought I would use this episode to kind of tell you about what we're doing here and kind of introduce Jovie. And what we're doing today is if you look up on top, there's a beam up there. And we welded, from the previous episodes, you'll see we previously welded the top outside. Now the inside, now I wanted to weld the inside. I really procrastinated for a long time whether I was going to weld a flat bar up on top. So I was reluctant to do it because you have to weld upside down. I don't have any experience welding upside down, so I looked on YouTube just like everybody else did and see how the best way to do that. So I set my settings a little hotter so it melts the bead into the metal a little better so it doesn't drip. If you have the weld too cold, it'll tend to drop and fall on you. So if you're a little hotter, you tend to melt through a little bit, but you just gotta keep moving through. But anyway, so there's one pillar right here. It had a gap, like a 3-inch gap. So I went ahead and took a flat bar, a 3-inch flat bar right here, welded this side and that's hard to do here, that back side right there. And then this is what we're welding right there. There we go. It's hard to do this upside down the camera. Anyway, we're welding that together. So basically, it's about a 4.25, 4.5 inch gap. The pillar, the top pillar, that's how far it is. So what I did is I put a 4-inch flat bar and put it up there. So we're going to weld that up, prepare it for the support. So this is all going to be the kitchen, dining room, living room area here. And so we need to support the ceiling somehow. And so I didn't want to have just posts going straight up and down. I wanted I-beams. So we're going to take 2 I-beams, one going across, across here, 2 I-beams. This is hard to do in the camera. Anyway, 2 I-beams. We're going to prepare for that. We're preparing this right now for the I-beams. So we'll see how that goes. I'm probably going to use 6-inch I-beams, and then we'll support it with a 4x4 metal tubing going up side there. Let's go. You want to say anything to your friends back home?
Hi everyone.
All right, she's a little shy. Anyway, ciao for now.